Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this tutorial, we are going to talk about how to transfer money from Stripe to bank account. It's a very easy tutorial if you follow every single step, so let's get started. First of all, you need to log into your Stripe account, and as you can see, I have just recently logged in, and this is the obviously a demo account for this tutorial. But you will understand every single thing. How? If I click on customers, obviously you can add customers from over here. If you want to add, just you can see that we can add even a test customer over here. And once you add that, and if you want to check out your balance, you can just click on balances. Once you click on balances, you will see every single balance over here. But if you scroll down, you will see upcoming payout to your bank. So this is how it's scheduled right now. And you can even change that from over here, like every day if you want to do that, or 1 week, 4 weeks, 3 months, 1 year, or you can customize it if you want. And after that, you can just click on this option and you can see over there. But obviously you need to link your bank account, right? How you can do that? Once you are over here on the balance options over here, at the top you will see go to payout settings. This is where you are going to add your bank accounts. Just click on this option. It would take you right over here. Here you can see payout schedule, which we recently talked about over here. As you can see, you can also change that every payout schedule from over here. You can even add every single thing. But before that, at the top you can see we have add bank account option. Here you can easily add your bank account every single detail from over here. Just click on this option and you will see this option that press the button below to send an email containing the verification link. Just click on this option and this is how it works. Click the link in your email. They will send you an email on your existing email of Stripe. Once you click on that email, it will be verified, and after that you can start adding obviously your bank account details. And that's it. This is how you can easily connect your bank account with Stripe. Once you connect your bank account with Stripe, you can easily start transferring money from Stripe to bank account, and you can even schedule it from over here. You can even start the day by your own time zone and the day starts at. So that's it. This is all you need to know how to transfer money from Stripe to bank account. I hope you like this video. Please subscribe. Bye bye and take care.